Hi guys, so today we are going to turn this pattern into one beautiful beaded flag like this. Okay, so kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Like, comment and share these videos, and let's hop right into designing this. Okay, so you need right angle weave sheet pattern. I do have it in PDF, so if you would want it, kindly reach out to me and I'll send it to you for free. Okay, so once you've drafted your pattern like what I'm doing, today we are doing the Sindh flag pattern that has got two black crosses, a white background, and a red background that surrounds it. Okay, so I first the most important thing was designing the axes like that, and once it's done, now you can start converting it by beading. Okay, so the materials that require are the 0.30 millimeters fishing line and size 10 stroke 0 seed beads, which are black, white, red colors. Okay, so we begin with the outline, which is the red color, where we start with the right angle weave pattern. If it's your first time to come across the right angle weave pattern, you can just watch so that you can learn how and see the procedure, how it goes about. But also we do have numerous tutorials that you can check out on my playlist, where you can see how to do the variety of right angle weave patterns, from one colored patterns to two colors, and now to patterns like this, which are slightly more advanced. Okay, so this is something that if you already know how to do the right angle weave, you're going to do it easily. So what you need to do is to just focus on how my artwork has started. The progress I'll be slowing down a bit so that you can see, and also if you're keen enough, you can see there are some places where I did do some mistakes and corrected them. Okay, so I want you to watch very keenly, and also by the end of the video, if you did spot where I did the mistake and correct it, kindly let me know on the comment section down below, because I've got some people who say that when you're beading and you've been doing this for a long time, it's very we do not make mistakes. So they do have that notion that once you're used to beading, you do not make mistakes. So that's not true. We are human, and even if you are very perfect, there are some slight things that do pass you, and that just goes to show you that you really just need to know that you're going to make mistakes. The thing is, you need to spot them earlier so that you can be able to correct them. Okay, so that's the key thing when it comes to beading. You should not get discouraged that you're making mistakes. That's actually a plus. It shows that you're learning. The ability to actually spot a mistake is also a skill set by itself. It shows that you know how it's supposed to look when it's correct. Okay, so you shouldn't get discouraged when you make the mistakes. Another thing that I would like to remind you guys is that the skill sets that you gain here are skills that can or will stick with you until you probably die. Okay, this is not something that's going to get out of your head once you learn it. So it's something that you can also take seriously, and it will help you get some extra income or some extra money at the end of the day. Okay, so if you love beading, if you love what you're seeing here, you can try it out and show it to your friends, show it to your family, show it to people, maybe through even social media, so that you can be able to get your work out there, market it, and let people know what you do. And you can do this part-time, okay, just as a hobby. And bit by bit, eventually you'd start getting your own orders, and eventually you can be able to sell them and make some extra money. This is something that I have witnessed through some of you guys who have sent me your feedback, and I'm really grateful for that. You have been able to do beading just from the tutorials you've seen here, and you've been able to sell them to other people. And you can check out some of those testimonials. They are on the community tab of this YouTube channel. Kindly go to the community tab, and once you peruse there, you can be able to see some of the testimonials of people that I don't even know personally, who just watched my tutorials, were able to practice it, and were indeed able to sell their products. Okay, so if you also have been able to do so, kindly let me know in the comment section down below. It's a good thing, so that it can be able to encourage other people to know that this thing is serious, and they can be able to earn something at the end of the day. Okay, guys. So guys, this is the first mistake that I did and corrected it. If you have seen there, I put some black beads below, but I've removed them and now corrected it. That's the first kind of mistake that I'm going to pinpoint. The others, I'll let you to see them by yourself, so kindly be keen. And another thing I'd like to remind you of is that we do have private classes. If you want slower and more detailed classes, you can reach out to me, and we'll be able to organize for you to have those classes. Regardless of where you are, they're online classes, so you reach out to me and we can be able to schedule that. Also, I'd like to urge you guys to be passing by the community tab, where I do post several things, like even questionnaires, upcoming videos. I usually share some sneak peek onto what I'm about to release or what I'm working on. And also I do post several questionnaires where you can be able to be part of the votes on what I'm going to do next, or even important things that will help build this channel. Okay, so kindly don't forget to pass by the community tab. And also we do have an Instagram account where you can be able to see a variety of things that we have been able to do. The Instagram account is stike_arts and landscaping. Okay, the link to my contact details and also the Instagram account is going to be down on the description below, guys, so kindly don't forget to check them out. So as you can see here, we've made quite some good progress. What I've done is I've done parts of the head of the first axe and parts of the handle of the opposite axe. Okay, so I'm working my way through this column by column. Okay, going up and down using the right angle weave, so as to be able to make this beautiful flag of the Sindh community. If you know more about this flag, what it means, kindly let us know in the comment section down below. This was a request that I have received from uh, one of you guys who specifically requested for this flag, and this is me fulfilling that promise. So if you would like us to do any other thing, maybe that you personally love, kindly feel free to request on it on the comment section down below, and I'll be able to do it when possible. So we are here halfway through doing this flag. This is exactly at the half point, at the midpoint, and the exact same thing that we have done from start to right now is what we are going to replicate. So it's just like a mirror. Okay, so we are just going to reflect what's on this side to the other side. So there's nothing else that will change. It's just reflecting what we've just done until now, until the end. And I do believe that if you've been able to manage to get to this point, you can be able to do the other side. That's a challenge to you guys. So I'm going to do this, only this half, and I'm going to leave the rest as a challenge to you to complete it. And if you do so, kindly share with me your progress or what you are able to do. You can share with me the picture, or even on the comment section down below, so that we can be able to see what you are able to do. Okay guys, I'm looking forward to that challenge. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys have been able to do. And what I'm going to make here is sort of like a pendant or a key holder, but you can be able to transform this into whatever you want. You can make this into a bracelet, a neck chain, or anything that you feel inspired to make. Okay, so it's going to be only until this half point. I've extended it a little bit so that you can get the roadmap on how to go about it, but essentially I'm going to only leave it at this, the half point, so that you guys can be able to try out what we have learned until this point, and be able to replicate it. I do believe in you guys, and I know that you guys have learned something here. And so as you can see, you can extend here where I'm pointing out, and make the cube. Okay, so it's half point. If you flip it, the other half should look like this, and I believe you guys can do it. So this is how it's supposed to look once you've done making it. You can pause the video here, maybe even take a screenshot, and continue with your progress. And I managed to make the second half of it. This is all because of time, because this thing took me over 2 hours to make, and I believe that would have been very long on the video format. So I'm going to show you part of how I fixed the two into one solid 3D piece. Okay, so what you do is you pick one bead from the right, and then you pass it through the adjacent bead. Make sure they're all aligned all the two pieces are exactly the same. Okay, make sure that they are perfectly exactly the same, so that when you're binding it, it does not mismatch. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so you add another bead like that, and this binding, I've done it numerous times on the previous other videos where I've done neck pieces, I've done key holders, key rings, I've done even hand rings. So you can also check them out, the videos to that, where you can be able also to learn how to do this binding. But this is not a hard thing. If you have gotten to this point, this bit is not going to be hard for you. And this is the final product that I believe you can be able to manage. So kindly, if I've done justice to this flag, kindly let me know if it's supposed to be like this, because this is a new thing. I'm not accustomed to it. I do not know much about it, so please let me know if I did justice to this flag. Right now it's like a key holder. I thank you guys for watching until this point. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share, and see you on our next video.